Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails and get them to last 2 weeks with no lifting. So if you want to see how I apply my press-on nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so these are the nails on the nail stand right after I made them. If you want to see how I made these nails, then just stay tuned to part 2 of this video. First, I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back. I do use a plastic cuticle pusher only because I do my nails so often. I just think the metal won't be too harsh on my nails, so I go ahead and use this plastic one and it works just as good. Next, I'm going to go in with my Young Nails 150 file and I'm going to remove the shine from the nails. This step is crucial if you want your nails to last. So I did go ahead and leave this in real time. I did not speed it up. So I want you guys to see how gentle I'm being with the nail, and I'm not roughing it up too bad because you don't want to damage your natural nails. I'm also taking this around the cuticle area as well. So normally I would go ahead and use my e-file, my sanding band for this, but because I know a lot of you probably don't have an e-file, I wanted to go ahead and use my hand file, and this works just as good. Okay, so this next step is optional. I'm going to go ahead and clip my nails. I do not like my nails long. I don't wear my natural nails. I like to make sure they're healthy, but as far as the length, I like to keep mine pretty short. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clip my nails. If you're a long nail girl, then you can go ahead and just skip this step. Okay guys, so the key. You want to apply your Young Nails protein bond. You guys know I stand for this stuff. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, without this, all of my nails fall off. Every last one of them will fall off. So you want to go ahead and apply 2 layers of that to your nail. So next I'm going to go on with my favorite nail glue, which is the Kiss Pink Gel Glue, which is just bomb, you guys. It's so good. So you want to go ahead and apply it like in the middle of the nail, and then just want to press the nail on and hold it for like 10 seconds just to make sure it's nice and secure. And you guys, this does the job for me. I don't need any extra security other than this gel. It's just so good. I will have a link down below for you guys, but I'm telling you, my nails last 2 weeks, no lifting, if I follow all of these steps. Don't skip any of these steps other than the nail clipping, but I'm telling you guys, secure. Okay. I do want to go ahead and try the lazy girl method with the poly gel, so I will have that video coming up for you guys as well. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and apply my cuticle oil. I did pick this one up from Sally's. And yeah, you guys, look at that. It just looks so nice and so flush. I will have these nails linked down below for you guys as well. They just look so good around the cuticles. And as you guys can see, I am wiggling these nails and they are not budging. They are here to stay, okay? Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys want to see how I made these nails, then just stay tuned for my next video. And while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me some video suggestions down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.